Need enzymes or reagents for your next experiment? Don't wait for unreliable or delayed deliveries. Campus Business Services has you covered. We offer convenient and easy-to-use access to high-quality reagents for your lab. CBS has partnered with New England Biolabs, or NEB, a world leader in the discovery and production of enzymes for molecular biology applications, to bring their high-quality reagents right here to a freezer on UCR's campus. With the UCR NEB freezer, you can grab what you need fast. No shipping delays, no surprise fees, and no waiting around for that critical reagent to arrive. Conveniently located in Keene Hall, room 2009, the NEB freezer carries 34 products, replenishing stock every week. If you don't see what you need, you can place a special order and have it delivered to the freezer, providing you with convenience, time-saving, and expensive shipping savings. Have you heard of the NEB freezer on UCR's campus?
I heard about it through my PI. She had suggested that we use it. We were using one of the NEB reagents a lot, and we were constantly having it shipped for a project that we were working on. So we thought that using the NEB freezer would be a more convenient way to get the reagents that we needed, especially more efficiently for our projects.
What is one of the biggest challenges that you face as a researcher at UCR?
I think one of the biggest challenges that we face is definitely just getting all the reagents that we need on time, planned out, and organized.
How has it helped your lab, and why is it important?
It has helped reduce the time that we need to get our reagents. By having it on campus, it allows us to just take a 5-minute walk to get a reagent we need, rather than having to wait a couple of days for a certain reagent to come to our lab to use.
What is the impact on sustainability and delivery delays?
Having the reagents that you need on time can be worrisome. So having this freezer on campus eliminates that worry, and it allows you to have the reagent. And in terms of sustainability, you're just able to go to the freezer. You don't have to go through all of the packaging by having these reagents shipped every time.
Several benefits of the NEB freezer include choice of offerings, cost savings, efficiency, and sustainability for the community. Keep the business on campus. Your research doesn't have to be put on hold waiting for that critical reagent to be delivered. With access to the NEB freezer, you can enjoy convenient and affordable access to high-quality enzymes any time of the day. Contact us to learn how your lab can get started.